5 reasons why coffee in the morning can be better than tea. Coffee and tea are two of the most consumed beverages worldwide. Even so, in the mornings, people usually choose either a cup of coffee over tea. Although this may indicate certain preferences, choosing coffee as an official day starter may not be as random as you think. Number 1. Coffee will help you exercise better. If you like waking up and doing your daily workout for a morning energy jolt, coffee may be the right choice for you. Considering the fact that coffee has a greater amount of caffeine in it than tea does, coffee can enhance your physical performance and reduce fatigue from exercise. Number 2. Coffee will help you with concentration. Do you need to concentrate while you study for an exam, or are you participating in an activity that requires real focus? In this case, coffee may be your pick. Because the drink has a greater amount of caffeine, it will help you become alert and perform activities during the night hours. For example, coffee will also help you stay on task and keep you wide awake. Number 3. Coffee will give you an immediate boost. Tea is a drink that contains caffeine and L-theanine. Theanine will help you relax, as caffeine interacts with adenosine receptors in our brains and reduces that feeling of fatigue. Considering that higher blood concentrations of caffeine may appear only 15 minutes after drinking it, it becomes clear why coffee is the one drink that gives instant energy. Number 4. Coffee can help you with weight loss. There are studies that suggest that coffee consumption is connected to lower fat levels, especially in men. Studies performed on animals also showed the same result. Another interesting study indicates that chlorogenic acid is a potent substance for body weight reduction, thus confirming that coffee is an interesting choice for those of us who might be looking for a slimmer figure. Number 5. Coffee can decrease the chance of developing diabetes. A study indicated that caffeine will lower the chance of getting diabetes. Just 3 cups of coffee a day will lead to a 42% risk reduction of the disease, which is pretty interesting. In another study, caffeinated coffee showed an impact on the decreased chances of developing diabetes type 2.